Okay friends, today we can understand how the dispersion occurs in the prism. So in the chapter called Light of 10th standard, we are having a dispersion of light through prism. So how this dispersion occurs in the prism, today we can understand that. A prism look like this. It is a triangle in shape. It has a shape of a triangle. So like this, three sides are there in the shape of a triangle. So whenever a white light passes through this prism, it gets dispersed into 7 distinguished color, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So what is the reason when a white light passes through this prism? Whenever this white light passes through this prism, it gets dispersed into 7 distinguished color. So what is the reason for that dispersion of 7 distinguished color when it passes from a prism? So that we can understand by showing a diagram. So now we can draw the diagram of a prism and understand how the dispersion of a white light occurs in the prism and what is the reason for that. So let us draw a prism. This is a triangle in shape. It has triangle in shape. Now whenever a white light passes through it, so white light, whenever a white light passes through it, so what happens to that white light? For example, we will draw a white light like an arrow mark here. So this is a white light. White light which is falling over the prism. So this white light is falling over the prism. This is a source of light. For example, we are focusing through a mirror. The sunlight the light coming from the sun falls over this mirror, a plane mirror. So this is a plane mirror. So the white light coming from the sun falls over this plane mirror. So what happens? This light from the sun falls over this plane mirror and gets reflected. So what happens? The white light gets reflected, and from this mirror the light is focused over the prism. So when this white light is focused over the prism, this white light gets dispersed into 7 distinguished color. So that 7 days, for example, if I keep this prism, it is kept like this and the white light is focused over this and it is dispersed into 7 distinguished color. So what are those color? It gets dispersed into violet, indigo, blue. So we can go one by one. So the dispersion occurs through the prism when a white light gets focused over the prism. So how it gets dispersed? It is into distinguished color. It gets dispersed into violet color, then it gets dispersed into indigo, then it dispersed into violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So all the 7 colors of a rainbow is dispersed through the prism. When a white light is focused over the prism, it spreads through the prism, it gets dispersed into 7 distinguished colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these 7 colors is dispersed. So we already know the white sunlight consists of 7 colors. It is made up of the white light of a sun is made up of 7 colors. You have seen the rainbow in the sky whenever there is a rainy time and the sunlight occurs. A rainbow is formed of 7 colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Bow-like structure of a rainbow is formed. Same way here, when a white light passes through the prism, it gets dispersed into 7 distinguished colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So what is the reason when a white light passes through the prism, it gets dispersed into 7 distinguished colors? So what is the main reason why it gets dispersed? So the principle of which is responsible for the purpose of a dispersion when light is passed through the prism is called as refraction. So when a white light is made to pass through the prism, a principle refraction occurs. That is, whenever a light passes from one medium to another medium, the bending of light takes place. So that principle occurs here. So whenever a light of certain frequency, when it is focused over the prism, a refraction occurs, the bending of light takes place. So when a white light is passed through a prism, a bending of light takes place and the white light gets dispersed into 7 distinguished colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In a short we can tell it VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR. So why it occurs? So we already know that every light consists of a frequency and wavelength. Every light has its own frequency and wavelength. Whenever the white light is made to pass through a prism, so bending of light takes place. So because the white light consists of a 7 distinguished colors, according to the frequency, the bending of light takes place according to the frequency and wavelength. So whenever the light passes, according to the frequency of wavelength and frequency, the bending of the light takes place, and the color of the light according to its frequency and wavelength, the refraction occurs. So here the most bending is violet color and the least bending is red color. So according to its frequency and wavelength and refractive index, the bending of light takes place. So because of the bending of light of these 7 colors, they are distinguished and kept apart from each other, making a rainbow called VIBGYOR, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So this is how the principle of refraction works in the prism. So whenever light passes from a prism, it gets reflected or refracted from the prism into 7 distinguished colors. In this way the prism works. So this is a prism, we can see this. So a prism looks like this. It is made up of a glass. So it is made up of a glass and it looks like this. So this is the prism. So today we understood how the white light is get converted into 7 distinguished colors when it passes from a prism. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So that whenever I'll put new videos, it will be shown to you in your mobile and all. Intimation will come regarding that video. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.